Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. In this video, I'll talk about may or might as well. I'll tell you how to use this phrase in different sentences. So please watch this video till the end, and before going ahead, please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Now let's start our today's video. May or might as well can be used in different situations. So first situation is when we suggest something, when we think that this is the best we can do and there's nothing better than this. For example, it's your engagement and the ring ceremony was supposed to take place at 7 o'clock and it's already 8:30. All the guests have arrived except your best friend. And you're waiting for your best friend. So your mom comes and says, we might as well start the ceremony. Your friend will join soon. So this means that this is the best thing to do right now because the guests have been waiting. So we should start the ceremony right now. So we might as well start the ceremony, or we may as well start the ceremony. So it's a suggestion because your mom thinks that this is the best thing to do right now. You might as well go back home, or you may as well go back home because you are not well. I'll take care of the work here. I think you might as well go back home. So this is the best thing to do right now because you're not well. She may as well prepare the presentation carefully, or she might as well prepare the presentation carefully. It's a busy day tomorrow. I might as well finish my work today, or I may as well finish my work today because I know that tomorrow I'll be busy whole day. So I'll not get time to finish my work. So it's better if I do it today. And that's why I'm saying I may as well or I might as well finish my work today because this is the best thing to do right now. I'll need petrol for tomorrow's picnic, so I may as well fill up now, or I might as well fill up now. So this way we use may as well or might as well when we suggest something, when we think that this is the best thing to do right now. Sometimes we can add just also to this phrase, like might just as well or may just as well. You can also say, I'll need petrol for tomorrow's picnic, so I may just as well fill up now, or I might just as well fill up now. So the meaning is same. It's just that to put more emphasis to the sentence, sometimes we use this phrase with just. So it is up to you whether you want to use it with or without just. We also use may or might as well for unenthusiastic suggestions. When you're not really enthusiastic for something, you're not really excited about something. For example, your sister is going out and you say, I might as well come with you, or I may as well come with you, because you think that if you stay at home, so it will be quite boring for you. So it's better if you go out with your sister. However, you're not too excited about it or enthusiastic about it, but still that's an option for you. So it's an unenthusiastic suggestion. I might as well come with you. We might as well go shopping. We might as well leave now. So there's a party going on and you're having fun, but now you think that you should leave. It's already 11 o'clock and tomorrow it's a working day. You have your office. However, you don't want to leave right now, but you say we might as well leave now. So it's an unenthusiastic suggestion. Next, we use this phrase to say that something else could have been done in this situation or in the same situation. You can simply say that we can use this phrase in place of could have. I have made a detailed video on could have modal verb. I will mention the link in description box. You can watch the video if you haven't watched it yet. When we use this phrase in place of could have, then we will use it with have plus third form, because here we are using it to talk about the past, not present. That's why we will use it with have and third form of the verb. For example, last night you saw a movie in the theater and it was boring. And today you tell it to your friend that last night the movie was quite boring, that I might as well have stayed at home. This means that I could have stayed at home. So I might as well have plus third form of the verb. I might as well have stayed at home. So this means that something was possible in the past, however that didn't happen, but that was a possibility in the past. So this is a hypothetical situation. It's an imagination about the past because we cannot change it. It's an imagination and this could have been done in the past. So this is what it means. So you can use this phrase in place of could have also, like this, to talk about the past. In this situation, you will not use may because we are talking about the past and might is the past form of may. So you can only use might as well in this situation when you are talking about the past, when you are using it in place of could have. I was in Delhi last week. We might as well have met. Again, this didn't happen, but this was a possibility in the past. We could have met or we might as well have met. And the last situation is where we use this phrase might as well or may as well is when we give a reply to someone to show that you agree with what the person is saying. For example, someone says, should we leave now? And you want to say, yes, we should. So in place of yes, we should, you can say might as well. Should I start the presentation? Might as well means yes, you should. Might as well. Shall we leave now? Might as well. So generally in this situation we use might as well more. It's more common and natural. However, may as well is not grammatically incorrect, but generally people use might as well. So it's better if you use might as well in place of may as well in this situation only. So that's all for today. I hope you understood how to use this phrase may as well or might as well in different situations. Now please think of some more sentences and share with me in the comment section. Keep learning, keep practicing, and please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab, and don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.